Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best CNMV regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM, or ForexTime, is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker founded in 2011. Serving clients in over 180 countries, it's known for its transparency, reliability, and strong regulatory framework under authorities like the FCA, CySEC, and FSCA. FXTM offers access to a wide range of markets, all through powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5. With competitive spreads, fast execution, and a wealth of educational resources, FXTM aims to empower traders of all levels with the tools, knowledge, and support needed to trade confidently in global markets. The broker gives traders access to more than 1,000 instruments across global markets. Their offering includes major asset classes such as Forex, commodities, metals, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, futures CFDs, ETF CFDs, and crosses CFDs. FXTM's diversified instrument lineup makes it suitable for traders who want flexibility to explore different markets and asset types. From traditional shares and commodities to more speculative instruments like crypto and futures. FXTM provides traders with a versatile suite of trading platform options designed to suit different styles and devices. At its core are the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, both available on desktop, mobile, and web browser versions. For mobile-centric or beginner traders, the broker also offers its own proprietary mobile trading application, which acts both as an account management interface and trading platform. It links directly to your MetaTrader account in the background while providing in-app dashboards, trending instrument lists, trade signals, and an economic calendar for on-the-go trading. The broker offers a variety of trading account types designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their Advantage account is the most popular option, featuring ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips and access to a wide range of instruments. It's available on both MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms with a minimum deposit of around $200. For traders who prefer commission-free trading, the Advantage Plus account provides the same market access but with slightly wider spreads starting from about 1.5 pips, also available on MetaTrader 4 and 5. Lastly, their Advantage Stocks account is tailored specifically for equity traders, offering direct access to global stocks with no commission, tight spreads, and trading exclusively through the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Overall, FXTM's account options are flexible, transparent, and designed to give traders the freedom to choose what best fits their strategy and goals. The broker provides a robust knowledge hub full of free educational content across all experience levels. Traders can dive into guides and tutorials covering basics like what is Forex, candlestick patterns, strategy types, and risk management. Their ebooks, often authored by seasoned market analysts, explore topics in more depth, from trading habits to technical theories. For those who prefer watching and listening, the broker offers a series of educational videos, spanning foundational concepts to advanced tactics. They also host seminars and webinars, allowing traders to engage live with expert presenters, ask questions, and absorb market insights. They also feature a library of articles and market commentary, which keeps users updated on technical patterns, economic developments, and trading perspectives, all written by experienced analysts. Whether you're just starting out or refining your edge, FXTM's education suite gives you structured reading, visual learning, and interactive formats to level up your trading knowledge. At number 4 on our list is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a well-established global trading broker founded in 2008, offering CFD and future trading to millions of traders worldwide. Listed on the London Stock Exchange and regulated in multiple jurisdictions, Plus 500 delivers a secure and transparent trading environment. The platform provides access to a wide range of markets, all within a clean, user-friendly interface. Traders benefit from zero commissions, competitive spreads, an unlimited free demo account, and 24/7 customer support. The broker offers access to a variety of CFDs across a wide range of asset classes, giving traders access to more than 70 Forex pairs, global indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and options. Whether it's major currency pairs, popular stock markets, energy products, or emerging digital assets, the broker's diverse selection allows traders to explore multiple markets from a single user-friendly platform, all with competitive spreads and flexible leverage. Plus 500 offers a simple yet powerful proprietary trading platform accessible via WebTrader, desktop and mobile applications for iOS and Android. The platform delivers fast trade execution, real-time charts, over 100 technical indicators, customizable watch lists, and price alerts, all in an intuitive, easy-to-navigate design. With full functionality across devices and built-in risk management tools, their platform makes it easy for traders to access global markets anytime, anywhere. Plus 500 offers a range of account options to match different trading needs. Their demo account allows users to practice with virtual funds in a risk-free environment, while their standard retail account gives access to all instruments with competitive spreads, no commissions, and built-in risk management tools. Experienced traders who meet certain criteria can apply for a professional account, which offers higher leverage. Plus 500 also provides a swap-free Islamic account for traders requiring Sharia-compliant conditions. Their Trading Academy offers a comprehensive suite of free educational materials designed to support traders at all levels. Their platform features a variety of resources, including beginner-friendly guides, how-to video tutorials, informative articles, and a Plus 500 ebook. Additionally, the Academy provides FAQs and a regular updated news section to help traders stay informed about key global business and economic developments. Their comprehensive suite of news and market insights through their News and Market section offers daily updates on global financial events, economic indicators, and market trends, keeping traders informed about the factors influencing the markets. Additionally, their proprietary Plus Insights tool analyzes aggregated client sentiment data, revealing the percentage of traders holding long or short positions on various instruments. This feature helps users gauge market psychology and identify potential reversal points. Traders can access these insights directly within the trading platform, enhancing their decision-making process. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM, one of the most well-established and globally recognized Forex and CFD brokers in the industry, was founded in 2009 and has grown to serve millions of traders worldwide. The broker offers an excellent range of tradable instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, precious metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. XM supports both MetaTrader 4 and 5, giving you access to two of the most popular trading platforms in the market, with fast execution, a wide range of indicators, and analytical tools. XM's mobile application gives traders a fast and convenient way to trade over 1,000 instruments on the go. It features real-time pricing, quick execution, advanced charting tools, and customizable price alerts. The XM app delivers a smooth and reliable mobile experience, while including built-in market news, analysis, and strong security, all while delivering a smooth and reliable mobile trading experience. Their account options include standard, ultra-low, and shares accounts, alongside demo and Islamic account options, with minimum deposits starting from just $5, making XM accessible for new traders while still offering advanced features for experienced traders. The broker is regulated and trusted by multiple authorities, including the CySEC, the ASIC, the DFSA, and the FSCA internationally, ensuring a secure and transparent environment. They offer strong client protection with segregated funds and negative balance protection, giving traders added peace of mind. With powerful platforms, low entry requirements, strong regulation, and a commitment to trader education, XM delivers a balanced and user-friendly trading experience for traders of all levels. If you're looking for a versatile and reputable broker to support your trading journey, XM is one worth considering. At number 2 on our list is XTB. XTB is a globally recognized online trading platform offering access to a wide range of financial markets. Established in 2002, the company has grown into one of the world's leading brokers, providing innovative trading solutions through its proprietary XStation platform. XTB is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and serves traders across multiple countries. The broker is committed to empowering traders of all experience levels with advanced tools, educational resources, and competitive trading conditions. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, giving traders access to global financial markets. The broker provides trading in Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, allowing for portfolio diversification across different asset classes. XTB offers advanced and user-friendly trading platforms designed to enhance the trading experience for both beginners and professionals. Their flagship platform, XStation, provides intuitive navigation, advanced charting tools, real-time market analysis, and fast trade execution. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, XStation ensures seamless access to global markets anytime, anywhere. Additionally, the broker also provides trading through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. XTB offers flexible trading account types designed to suit the needs of different traders, whether for beginners or experienced professionals. Their accounts feature competitive spreads, fast execution, and access to a wide range of financial instruments. These accounts include the standard and pro trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. The broker offers comprehensive educational resources to support traders at all experience levels. The broker provides free courses, webinars, market analysis, and trading guides to help traders enhance their skills. Overall, XTB is a trusted and innovative broker that provides traders with a comprehensive range of financial instruments, advanced trading platforms, and valuable educational resources. With its focus on security and customer support, XTB offers a seamless trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders, whether through competitive account types, expert market analysis, or powerful tools. XTB is dedicated to helping traders achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of online trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CNMV regulated Forex brokers, we have HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best CNMV regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.